Welcome to Munro Motors. Here we have a 2011 Mustang Premium 6-cylinder, 310 horsepower with a 6-speed transmission. It's got the shaker sound system, power seat on the passenger side, big speakers as you see there. It's got the aluminum rims on it with super fabulous brand new tires on it. Those are full of tread. They are brand new brakes, front and back. There's the engine just purring away like a kitten, all clean and tidy. You see how clean that is? That's just a fabulous car. This is a clean Carproof, one-owner car, 96,000 kilometers, in the candy red tint metallic. Power windows, power locks, power driver's seat. Let me show you the kilometers. There they are, 96,713. Just a beautiful car, clean and tidy. Shaker sound system, heated seats, air conditioning, 6-speed transmission, traction control. It's got Bluetooth for your telephone, cruise control available on your steering wheel. Just a clean, tidy car. Fabulous color. Let me take you back out now. I'll turn it off. I'll show you the car with the doors all closed here. XM satellite radio available. Beautiful clean interior. Let's go over here and put the hood down. Give you a good look. So there it is, 2011 Mustang Premium 6-cylinder, 6-speed, beautiful aluminum rims, brand new tires, brand new brakes, lots of power equipment including heated seats, spoiler on the back. What a beautiful car, here at munromotors.com.